Goldie Larson, you're one of the GNU grandmothers at Lac du Flambeau. In March, you peacefully occupied the tribal office building, and you were arrested, and you're going to have a hearing on Monday. But there was something that came up earlier this week that I want you to comment on. There's a proposal before, I guess actually there's a law right now that could banish people who were involved with removing documents from government office buildings. What are your thoughts about that banishment code?
Well, of course, I'm in shock. I guess it's more than shock. Actually, I think it's just way beyond comprehension. I guess in this day and age, I never ever thought that doing a peaceful sit-in would would set me up for banishment from my own reservation. Um, my family is the Buckskin family from the Buckskin Lake area, and I love this land, and um, I don't see where um, the tribal council could find the right to banish me over a peaceful sit-in. I was standing up for our land, and I did the peaceful sit-in because we couldn't get any answers. We couldn't. They wouldn't. They wouldn't allow us to speak. They wouldn't allow us to have any information. They didn't even, care if they answered us or not at council meetings. And we tried locally and county and state and federal agencies to get somebody to come in and help us, to assist us to get some answers regarding our financial situation here in Lac du Flambeau, and without anybody answering to us or answering us in our plea for help, that's when we decided as grandmothers to do this peaceful sit-in with the help of our young warriors. And you know, history has always been that the grandmothers have to stand up. Um, they have to be the strong ones when there's a dispute, and I think we see through different eyes as grandmothers. We see things that others don't, and it was a real difficult choice for us to make, but we really had no other um, any other options but to do what we did. And I guess others don't look at it that way, but we of course would never do anything to harm our people or our own tribal center, and it's hard to understand how we can be charged with trespassing or breaking and entering or whatever they charge us with in our own complex, in our own building. And that building is as much ours, the GNU grandmothers, as it is the tribal councils.
Well, good luck with your hearing on Monday, Goldie.
Thank you, Miigwech.
Yeah.